Now, let's quickly go over the directory structure of our AdonisJs application. First, let's stop the server and open the project in our preferred code editor. I will be using Visual Studio Code. The app directory stores all our application code, such as models, controller, middleware. The config directory stores all our application configuration settings. For example, the app.js file stores all our app configuration settings. Same for the auth.js file, which stores all our authentication settings. The database directory contains our database migrations, as well as the database seeder, which we'll create later in the course. The public directory contains all front-end related assets, such as CSS, images, and JavaScript. The resources directory contains the views directory, which contains all our application view files. The start directory contains an app.js file, where we can register our service providers, register aliases, and register ACE commands. A kernel.js file, where middlewares are registered, and a routes.js file, where we define all our application routes. Then the .env file, we hold the environment variables for most of our application configuration settings. The ACE file bootstraps the command line tool for our application specific commands, though we won't be writing any command in this course. Lastly, the server.js file bootstraps the HTTP server, which you can start by running node space server.js, and will make use of the port defined inside the .env file. While in development, it is recommended to use the adonis serve --dev command, as we saw in the previous lesson.